My name is Fredrik Berselius from ASKA in Brooklyn, New York. For me, it's all about creating this extraordinary guest experience, something beyond what you're normally used to. The food is very much inspired by having grown up in Scandinavia. I loved spending time in nature. Those fond memories is all what we work back into our menu. At the restaurant we serve a tasting menu, so we serve a number of courses, and it's sort of meant to take you on a little journey. I want everything that we put on the plate to have a meaning. I designed the restaurant to have all tables to be my favorite table. This romantic idea about European restaurants, small, intimate, sort of family-run restaurants. If the weather allows, I love beginning the dinner with a drink out in the garden or ending the night afterwards under the open sky. And every day we sort of just set out to create this magical evening for our guests.